Clauses of contrast. Clauses of contrast are used to express contrast between two ideas and are introduced with certain words, phrases. Look at the examples. Steve played well, but he didn't score a goal. Although, even though Mark was in pain, he still finished the race. Or, Mark finished the race, although, even though he was in pain. Even though is more emphatic than although. Though is informal, and it's used mostly in everyday speech. It can also be placed at the end of the sentence, separated by a comma. Mark was in pain. He finished the race, though. In spite of, despite being good at ice skating, Mary never became a professional skater. In spite of, despite the fact that it was raining, Tina went jogging. Mario exercises regularly. However, nevertheless, he hasn't lost weight. Remember, we always use a comma after however and nevertheless.